to a Minc gift box tutorial using the Minc Surface Paper Pad. We are going to use a glue sheet for this gift box and the We Are Memory Keepers gift box punch board. What I'm basically doing here is choosing my box size based on the specifications of the punch board, making all my scores and punches following the We Are Memory Keepers punch board guidelines. It's super easy, and once you get going, the results are fabulous. It also has the awesome notch tool, and now we are ready to Minc. Again, I'm using the glue sheet and some holographic foil, running it through my Minc on heat setting 5. Once you reveal, you will see the beautiful, flawless holographic foil coverage, perfect for a beautiful gift box. To assemble, simply fold along all the score lines. This paper is beautifully made and sturdy, so it will create the most perfect gift box. Once we tuck in all the side corners, simply you'll see fold in the top and connect the notches. There you go. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Now for the fun part. I'm going to use some of the Carefree washi tape to add some little decorative design to my gift box, and I'm going to even layer another washi from the same collection on top. It's so fun to mix and match the coordinating colors and designs. Once that's done, I'm going to add a little bit extra and use some decorative string that I had in my stash to simply give it a little bit of texture. Now it's time for the tag. Using these Carefree gift tags, I am going to pick one that I think I love the most, but they are all so beautiful. The perfect tags for any project. Because this is a gift, I'm going to go with the You're One of a Kind tag and simply attach with the coordinating string that comes with these tags in this tag set. And there you have it, a beautiful holographic gift box made in literal minutes.